Hi, it is Martin Schneider here, VP and Principal Analyst with Constellation Research. Wanted to take a quick moment to talk about the latest big idea report I've just published. It's a big idea on kind of a big deal and what's happening in the development and implementation around mid-market CRM suites because of all of this rapid innovation around generative AI and agentic AI especially, but also the implications that has for workflow, for data integration, and really how no and low code platforms can really support this kind of almost revolutionary new way of thinking about how you deploy and manage your CRM. So just to break it down a little bit and what this report gets into, obviously AI is everywhere and it's being injected into every product, whether that's CRM or supply chain or HR or whatever. But with CRM, really what we're seeing is moving beyond that simple kind of content ideation and email generation of generative AI to really full on agentic AI, where we're automating workflows, where we're becoming multi-agent and really seeing, decisions being made, tasks being completed in kind of new and innovative ways without a lot of work to get this done. The studios and the Copilot tools from the major providers are making it easy to build these agentic flows. Now, at the same time, we're making it more and more, thanks to AI and other tools, make it more and more easy to integrate multiple systems together to create the kind of data lakes, data warehouses, and just the kind of the data resources needed to make informed decisions, to build a much more modern and proactive CX experience for both employees and customers. And again, at the same time, the platforms supporting these applications are becoming more and more composable, meaning that you can use generative and agentic AI to kind of build an experience on the fly, whether that's, analytics capabilities and new dashboards, all the way up to, net applications that are kind of being built soon or going to be built soon with the AI. Kind of what is the moment? What is needed for either the customer in a self-service capacity or the employee of the customer to get a job done? The application kind of builds itself in the moment, the right feature, the right capability, the right workflow to meet that need, that job to be done. Now, are we there yet completely? Obviously not, right? But these major innovations around AI, composability, no-code platforms, and advanced integration are making it easier than ever to start rethinking how you approach your CRM strategy. And the CRM suites are following suit, or I should say, the leading providers inside the marketplace are taking these components and building out, far more flexible, composable application sets and tool sets so that we can rethink how we approach our CRM strategy so that we're far more dynamic, we're far more personalized, we're far more productive and efficient. And the great thing is that since there's a lot less IT and other resource overhead needed, we can really reduce our costs and our maintenance overhead as well. So these are going to be easier to deploy and manage, and ideally far less expensive to manage. Now, of course, data quality and strategy and thinking and governance and guardrails around the AI and access and usability are going to be caveats and are going to be important to consider when bringing this all together. But the puzzle pieces are there, right, to really start to create modern, incredibly effective, but much more easier to deploy and maintain and to update because it's kind of happening on the fly. CRM systems for mid-market companies who were typically locked out of the latest and greatest that was happening in the enterprise. Now, AI and no and low code are really kind of democratizing it for everyone, right? Even the smallest businesses can build some really, really cool CRM implementations and CX experiences. Again, I cover in the report the vendor landscape and kind of who's doing what, and offer some recommendations for end users to kind of think about this and get started and the right questions to ask. So again, it's a great new big idea report around AI, composability, and no code, really shaping mid-market CRM's future. It's available now at constellationr.com at our website. And if you're a client, you can download it today. And if not, there's buttons all over the website where you can contact us to learn how to get access to the report and or become a client. Thanks a lot.